Good morning, welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph, and today I'm here with Dion. He's going to do an analysis for us on Bitcoin, and we're also going to look at a trading opportunity on the MATIC coin. Good morning, Dion.
Hi, morning Joseph, morning guys. Okay, start with the market indicators quickly. So the dollar has had a bit of a run up again, and due to that, the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Bitcoin have all pulled back a bit. Also, the total chart that we look at, the money flow into crypto, is also down and has broken this trend line here. So not much money coming into crypto at the moment, so that's not great for us. Also, the Bitcoin dominance has been going up over the past few days, which is also not great for us. So it's kind of a week to be careful as it looks now. Now also, there's news coming out later this week which might affect it again, so it could again be a volatile week. But at the moment, you would have to just trade with tight stop losses at the moment. Looking at Ethereum on the daily, so we were trading in this symmetrical triangle here. We've come down, hit the bottom again, but we're still holding this upwards support line, so we haven't broken down under that. If we do break that and we break this 1100, I would short it back down to probably, we could even hit this low here of 880 roughly. So if we lose that line and we lose that 1100 support, I think we might go a bit further down on Ethereum. But for now, these are the levels to watch, and also just to scalp them, I wouldn't get into any long-term trade unless you just follow up everything just with a stop loss for the time being until things have settled with this FTX and all the other news. On Bitcoin, also on the daily chart, we've been trading in this downward parallel channel, and we've hit the bottom and then just ranged sideways. Looks like we might even also go lower again to come and hit the bottom of that. So it depends if the 16,000 will hold, but as we said earlier this week, it's just a good scalping time just to scalp between these levels, between 16.5, 1700, 16.5, 1600, just scalp it up and down until we get a clear direction. Also, just looking at the EMAs here, we're not going to go up until this is my 20 EMA and the 50. So until the 20 and 50 have crossed back up, we're not going to go back up, and you can see that they're still pointing downwards quite severely. So it doesn't look as if they're going to turn soon. They might start leveling out slightly like they were doing here, and then getting ready to turn back up. But for now, I think we're just ranging and possibly slightly lower to come and hit this, retest this local low that we made earlier after that FTX dump. Then the coin that I'm just keeping an eye on is MATIC. So this is the MATIC 4-hour chart. As marked this little area here, you can see how many times this has acted as very good support. So it's 77 to 80 cent. Whenever we've gotten into that, you can see this is, I just marked out at 10% here for you. So we've often hit 10% to 20 to 50% even from that level, and have not gone much lower than that. So recently also we've been trading in this downward sloping parallel channel, broke out, come to retest, and on that support zone, I'll zoom in there, you can see we've had a very nice rejection candle there. So looking as if we're going to go up again from here. So I would get into this trade and then go for this 10% just to this range high here, and just keep on following. As I say, just follow everything up with the stop loss. As soon as you're in profit, just follow up, give it some breathing space, but follow your trade up with just the stop loss, and we could easily go to this range high here, which was about 20%. So I think this is a good trade, depending on what Bitcoin and what the dollar does this week. So we have to just keep an eye on the market, but for now, everything's looking good technically for a good trade here on MATIC. That's from me, Joseph.
Hey, awesome, Dion. Thank you very much for that analysis. It's good to see for me that Bitcoin is holding support up to now. This FTX was quite a blow for a lot of people, and I think that's why the market is a little bit uncertain. So the interesting thing for me about the MATIC coin is it's probably one of the coins with the strongest and best fundamentals of all the cryptocurrencies, and so that's why it's a very, very safe coin. If you want to trade MATIC without a stop loss, I don't trade with a stop loss. I use DCA to trade. Then MATIC will definitely be one of those. I also like MATIC because it's very volatile, so it can sometimes have these spikes to the upside. So if you put your take profit in, it can grab your take profit and possibly fall back down again for another run on it. So that's a wonderful coin. Thank you for the analysis. We're gonna just wait a little bit for that announcement. Tell me, Dion, when is this announcement that's gonna affect the dollar again?
Let me just have a look. I think it is on Thursday. I'll just quickly pull it up here. No, it's on Wednesday. There's a lot of dollar news. It's unemployment claims, flash services, marketing, new home sales, so consumer sentiment. So there are really a lot of news events on Wednesday. So Wednesday is the day to look out for.
Okay, so by the end of the week, we possibly can start to get more direction on the market. There's a very much possibility for Bitcoin to pull back if the dollar would respond positively to the news. Alright, guys, that's all from us for today on the Bitcoin and also this MATIC trade. We're going to be back in a little bit, and we're going to feature a video of Steve from Crypto Crew University, where he's going to talk about the on-chain data. See you next time.
Thanks, guys. See you later. Cheers.